Hello everyone, Wayne Motts, the President Emeritus and historian at the Gettysburg Foundation. And boy, I'm excited. We've got all these great ideas on behalf of the Gettysburg Foundation for new videos, new series related to Gettysburg. And I'm introducing a series today called Gettysburg On the Road. This will be a series that will feature Gettysburg connections, but not in Gettysburg. This could be a museum, it could be another battlefield with a Gettysburg connection, it could be a cemetery, it could be a historic home or structure, it could be a facility. Just about anything we can connect Gettysburg to, we're going to do it, and we're going to do it on the road. I'm standing today at the entrance of Green Lawn Cemetery in Columbus, Ohio, founded in 1848. And we're going to go in here and we're going to talk about some Gettysburg connections for a future video. So stay tuned. Gettysburg on the Road, connecting Gettysburg outside Gettysburg.